You just found out you're pregnant. Now what? You just saw those 2 lines on the test. And your heart is racing, excited, nervous, overwhelmed. Maybe all of it. So what now? First things first, take a deep breath. Whether this was planned or a surprise, your body is about to do something amazing. Let's walk through the first steps together. Even if you took multiple tests, it's time to book your first doctor's visit. A blood test or early ultrasound can confirm how far along you are and that everything is progressing normally. If you haven't already, start today. Folic acid is crucial in the first few weeks to protect your baby's brain and spine. It's a small pill, but it makes a huge difference. Your body is now the home of a growing life. Focus on whole foods, hydrate more, and cut back on caffeine, alcohol, and raw foods. You don't have to be perfect, just intentional. Download a pregnancy app or journal your symptoms. Knowing what's normal week by week can ease anxiety and let you enjoy the little milestones. This is the beginning of a brand new chapter, and you're not alone. Whether you're bursting with joy or quietly processing it all, your journey matters. So take it one day at a time, trust your body, and stay tuned. Because I'll be right here with you every step of the way.